Here I've got KXD V6 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, that would be the first method, and enter a secret code which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, IMEI number is included here, actually both of them, both which are assigned to both your SIM cards, which can be inserted to this phone, and then you can also open those IMEI numbers and also serial number through the settings. So let's open the settings at first, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and then select About Phone. And now go to Status, where you can locate IMEI information right here. As you can see, both IMEI numbers are included here, and a bit lower you can read your serial number. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily locate both IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.